and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to program the garage door opener on a Mercedes-Benz. The car I'm using today is a 2003 Mercedes C55 AMG. It's pretty much the same, I believe, for all the late 90s through 2000s Mercedes. Correct me if I'm wrong if anybody knows, but it's a pretty simple procedure, so here we go. First thing you want to do, put the key in the ignition and turn it 2 clicks. That turns on all the accessories and everything. Next, what you're going to do is these 2 outer buttons here. You're going to press and hold until that light right there next to my index finger begins to blink. I think it's about 10 seconds. There you go. What you've done now is you have erased the memory of any previous garage door opener. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your clicker, your garage door opener, and you're going to press the button on your garage door opener while pressing the button on your mirror right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to push the button on the mirror, see how that light is blinking, and now we press that. See how it started blinking rapidly? That means it has picked up the signal. So let's wait for the garage door to close, and let's try that again. Booyah! Very simple, nice and easy, straightforward. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.